Hey guys, Steve Good here with the Scroll Saw Workshop. You're looking at a project that I built tonight that I really didn't plan to publish the pattern for on the blog. It was something I just made for myself because it was something I wanted to use. But after using it a few minutes, I decided other people might be interested in it also. So I'm going to go ahead and put the pattern up on the blog. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, I'll put the link in the description below. The iPhone, or I think even Android, although I don't have an Android phone, I'm sure it has one also. The iPhone has a built-in magnifier. It's actually very powerful. It's almost as powerful as a low-power microscope. And it's not turned on by default. You have to go into your general settings and accessibilities and turn it on, and then you just simply triple-click the home button to activate it. And it works really well, but it's a little bit hard to handhold. I'm all the time looking at things that I want to get a good close look at, and I've purchased these USB microscopes a few times, and none of them are very good. At least the ones I bought work very well, but this one on the iPhone actually works incredibly well. So I thought I'd show you how I use this little stand. And I simply take the iPhone, activate the magnifying app, and we're zoomed all the way out, and then I just lay it right here. And here in a second I'll show you a top view, and then I'll actually do a screen recording of the iPhone so you can get a better look. Here's a little different perspective on it, and you can see I've just simply laid the iPhone on this platform, and it puts it at just the right height and angle to be able to view. In this case, I've got a dime down there on a little tray, and I built this tray to be able to move it around really easily without having to reach in there and grab the dime itself. And once you start the app, you can either slide this slider over to do the enlargement, or just simply slide up on the screen. And I think you can see there, and again I'll do a screen recording in a minute so you get a very good look at it, that the magnification is very intense. And you also can turn the light on and get even a better view of it. So now I'm going to pause this video, do a screen capture of the iPhone, and let you see that. To activate, click the Settings, General, Accessibility, and then once you get the accessibility open, find the magnifier, slide the switch to on, and now you're all set up and ready to go. Now all you have to do is triple click the home button to activate it. Now we can use the slider to change the magnification in and out. We can use a little tray to move the dime around. There I just clicked the light button to turn the light on to give us a better view. And here you can see the maximum amount of zoom that we can have. And you can see it's really a tremendous amount of zoom. If you are out of focus, simply touch the screen with your finger where you want the camera to focus at, and it will refocus in on that point. The nice thing about this is we're far enough away that we can get our hands under there really easily. So we're back in the regular video now, and I'll just point out a couple of details on it real quick. Again, the iPhone just simply sits on this platform. I put a little 220 grit sandpaper on here to keep the iPhone from sliding around. This is probably not the best idea. It probably needs some of the non-slip rubber glued onto here would probably be a better solution. And then I just simply used 1/2 inch thick Baltic birch plywood for the arms and the stand, and 1/4 inch for the plate and the little tray to slide around. I simply just took and put these little axle pegs in each corner just to give me something to hold on to when I wanted to slide this around. Not necessary, just something I added. So you can see it's a very simple little device, and again I'll be putting the pattern for this up on the blog and you can download it. Works really good. I'm Steve Good. Thanks for being with me here at the Scroll Saw Workshop. We'll catch you next time.